Team, we are all excited about the Eon XR platform. As we are looking forward for the XR platform to be released in September 2020, let's take you through the new offering AR Assist, which has been built on real customer engagement. And we have a few POCs that we'll be sharing today. So, what is AR Assist? Earlier, this product was called as Remote Tech, and we had one or two proof of concept products demonstrations, but it was not integrated into the AVR platform. What is that we are going to change now? AR Assist is integrated with the AR platform, and the XR platform that is being presented along with version 8.0 release consists of this specific application which is targeted to the enterprise engagements. How do I use it? Okay, here goes my colleague Karthik, who will be taking you through this whole presentation, which has been demonstrated live for a project at Changi Airport here in Singapore. Hope you'll like it. Thank you.
Thank you, Sridhar. Hi everyone. We are now looking at the recording of the Discovery Tour app developed for Changi Airport Group. As you can see here, there are 6 points of interest within the Terminal 4. Changi team can select any location and our app will guide them towards it using ARS's wayfinding feature. Once within the location, the CAG team must look around, discover hidden objects and learn more about the iconic displays within the terminal. The hidden objects are placed using Azure Spatial Anchors, allowing us to save the 3D model positions in real world. We can also place the objects in real scale as well. With AR Assist, users can place multiple anchor points and create their own experiences. We can also use AVR Platform Library to store and access 3D models as well. Here is a glimpse of the actual experience of the app.